is how I made 2.8 million naira here on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So you see, making money here on YouTube, especially the AdSense monetization part, is something that looks very impossible, especially if you're a new creator like me. Do you get? Because we're still struggling to, build watch hours and get subscribers. But then there are other ways that you can make money on this YouTube, which I have experienced, and I'm never giving up on this YouTube thing like we've been here. Do you get? So I have experienced like making money on YouTube, and I've seen how sweet it is and how very easy it is. So even if you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers and haven't reached your 4,000 watch hours yet, with less than that your 1,000 subscribers, you can actually make money, cash out on YouTube. And this is why I'm making this video. So make sure you watch the video, because I know that you will learn one or two things on how to make your own money even when you have less than 1,000 subscribers. Hi guys, so you're welcome to my YouTube channel, CC Discover. So on this channel we'll talk about anything on how to make money, either through business ideas or your skills. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and stay notified, and also make sure you like, comment and share. So guys, like I said, I made 2.8 million naira here on YouTube with less than 1,000 followers. The surprising thing, or how will I say it, is it the surprising thing, is that I even made this money when I had less than 500 subscribers here on YouTube. So how did I make this money? If you have been following me, you will know that I do a lot of things, majorly from the comfort of my home. Do you get? So I do freelancing, and I also have home-based businesses like this one here, a skincare home-based business as well. Do you get? And also, other things to make money. So there was this product I invested in when I was starting my skincare brand. I had this product already at home in cartons, and I was already planning to run my ads for that particular product. Then I was starting my YouTube journey. So one day, out of what will I do for content, let me just say, out of no content idea, I just say, okay, let me just review this product, because yes, I've used the product and I've seen how it works. So I hopped on YouTube and I made this video on that product. And guys, guess what? I wasn't even expecting anything. Like, I just made it like, okay, let me just do something. Let it be that today that I was supposed to post, I didn't post anything. And before you know it, people started coming to my WhatsApp. Hello ma, we saw your video on YouTube. I was like, sure, is that how this thing works? Like, I was still trying to wake up from are you serious? So people were every day I get more than five WhatsApp messages, and before you know it, guys, that was how I sold out this product. Like 90% of people that bought those products came from YouTube. People that haven't bought from me before, people that have not met me before, people that have not even people that were never my subscribers before. Do you get? So because of that review, they subscribed, they watched my videos because of the videos I've been making. So building trust and buying from me, and started contacting me on WhatsApp. Then my WhatsApp number to the video in case if anybody wants it. Do you get? So now there was something that YouTube did that is so difficult from the Instagram where I'm coming from. That is where my businesses are. On Instagram, before you get to that point of customers buying from you, you would have, it's kind of difficult, no matter how you've been building content, even with the followers. But as a new business or as a new brand on Instagram, it's kind of difficult because people are still very skeptical, to patronize you. Maybe you're scam, maybe you're not real. Let's see what she's doing, if she's consistent. But on YouTube here, it was very easy to buy from me, even though then I had less than 200 followers. But because they've seen that yes, this girl, she's making videos, she's putting out videos, they did not even look at how consistent I was. They just saw that yes, on her playlist and all of that, there are videos there. Okay, I swear 90% of buyers of this product, 90% of buyers of this product came from YouTube here. and that was how I sold that up. I got customers. I did way bill to UK, I did way bill to Australia, I did way bill to Cotonou, I did way bill to Cameroon, like I did way bill to Ghana, then Nigeria, outside Lagos and all of that. Guys, see, I made 150% profit on that product. That was how I made my first sale here on YouTube. It was so effortless. I didn't spend money on ads, just to review, and that was how sales started coming in. And up till now, some of the customers I have are still people that I got here from YouTube. So unlike me, you might not have a physical product to sell, or a skincare brand, or any business at all that you do, maybe where you offer products for people to buy, do you get? But then you have something that people will definitely buy. And what is that? You have experiences in life, you have knowledge in things. Many of us know a lot of things, and these things, there are people out there craving for these things. There are people out there that need assistance, that need guide, that need advice. Do you understand? So with the way the world is going now, people are seeking for help, therapy, people are seeking for different things. Do you get? Because people are going through a lot of things. Everybody is in a particular stage in his or her life, and they need something that can pull them through that journey, and that is where you come in. You do not need to have a physical product like me. You do not need to even have any business at all, but you have something that you can offer. There's something that you know that people do not know, and people will be glad to get. Do you get? Even your experience in life, whether you're a single father, you're a single mother, you are bereaved, whether you've been through some kind of, illnesses before, or, there are things there are experiences that you've been through that people are currently going through, and they do not know how to go about this. They do not know how to survive through it. And there are skills that you have that people also want to learn. Do you get? So you don't need to say, okay, because I do not have a physical product, that means I won't make money. No, you see, those experiences, those skills and all of that you have, you can package this thing and offer them either as a product or service. You can do coaching here on YouTube. You can turn them into courses, you can turn them into ebooks, you can turn them into guides. So you can do a lot of things here on YouTube to make money, because one thing about YouTube is that the opportunity here is so endless. The fact that Google is the owner of YouTube makes it something that is like a kind of lifetime thing. When people are searching on Google on that particular topic, that is the way your name or your channel name keeps popping up. And if people come to YouTube to search for that particular topic, your channel will also pop up. There are endless ways to make money here on YouTube. So you see that 1,000 subscribers and that 4,000 hours is something that is difficult. Trust me, it's difficult for many of us to attain. But then there are still other ways that you can use to start making money before you get qualified for the AdSense monetization. I don't know the experience you've been through in life, I don't know the skill you have, but I definitely know that everybody has something he or she knows very, very well. So I will advise that you sit down and write out all those things that you know, both skill, both life experience, and anything at all you know. Look for a way to package this thing. Put the links in your channel, and you'll be surprised to make your first sale. That is how it all starts. For me, that was how it started. From, oh my, I saw your review online, how much is that product? Like, it was so effortless. The price was just the price. There's nothing like how much is last, I want to price it. The way Instagram people and Facebook do. This one, they just ask for piam, send account number, pirum, alert don't enter. That was how I made my 2.8 million on that product. Like I said, there is something that you can offer to us here on YouTube. Even if you don't want to open other pages on other social media platforms, it's okay. You can start here on YouTube so that you don't overwhelm yourself. The essence of this video is to tell you new creators that there's still hope in making money, even with that you're less than 1,000 subscribers. You don't need to get discouraged, because sometimes this journey is so difficult. Sometimes you just get discouraged. When you remember the kind of money you make from this channel, to me it's the motivation. especially haven't tested it before, so I don't even want to give up, and I don't even want you either to give up. So as you're watching this video, start writing down those things that you know. Go on YouTube, look for videos on how to make ebooks, guides, you know, how to make courses and all of that. There are so many free platforms that you can use to do these things. Come on YouTube and sell your services or sell your product. So guys, that is the end of this video. So if you have any question at all, please don't hesitate to post in the comment section and I'll be answering all of it. Thank you for sticking to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.